Hey guys, this is AJ again. This computer is Acer Nitro 5 gaming computer. So the keyboard, some of the keys were working, some of them were not. So it is not easy to replace. I have a disassembled the computer. So this is the original, the palm rest, and I thought I was going to do that, just replace the keyboard, and that would be just easy. And it happened to have the keyboard in the stock. And when I start removing the keyboard, that's the bad thing. You have to remove the plastic grommets, or I don't know what you call that. It is they're using the special tool. The manufacturers, they glue on it the plastic and seals the these holes with the plastic. So in order to properly mount this keyboard, you have to remove that, and finally you get this. So there is no screws there. You cannot use the self-threaded screws here to mount it on. So either use the soldering iron, which I start using it, and I made a couple of holes over here, one here and one here. So then I decided that was too much headache. Even so, the keyboard is cheap, then labor is more intensive and very hard to make it exactly the manufacturer had it. So I decided to purchase another one like that. So yeah, that's everything went right, except, sorry about this. See, it looks good, everything is correct, but the problem is the motherboard goes on its place, but the problem we have is the cooling fan does not align to the mounting holes. Look at that. So this is the correct way to put it up, but mounting holes are right here, and we're right there. See, look at the gap here between that. This is say over here. This hole supposed to be aligned in here. So this the heatsink, it cannot mount it properly. So then I had to come up with some kind of solution. Either I have to return that anyway because I cannot use it, and then I had to come up with a solution to mount the keyboard properly, just like a manufacturer had. So I'm going to show you. This is not expensive tool. My son, when he was young, we bought it that many years ago, I would say 15 years ago, so he could do the 3D design. It's like a pencil, like it's a 3D. I believe this is a 1.7 millimeter the nylon wires, and what it does is you can fit it through. It heats up the head, and then you squeeze it, adjust the speed and all this stuff, and this one does not even get hot once when I position. And I'm gonna show you an example. Let's see if I can do that with one hand. So I'm gonna clean the head. This is not that hot. Okay, just a second. So it has to heat up. I gotta give you the green light there. I think I have to get the Ray-Ban glasses. It's gonna be very this is in my list. It's very hard to take the video while you're working on something, and let me wait that, and we'll pause it. So as you can see, this green light tells me the gun is ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze this button forward, And let's see, it's coming out slowly. There we go. I'm gonna stop that, and I'm gonna use my finger and press it down, and that's it. This is like I thought it was gonna burn my finger, but it is not burning my finger. So see, now we have to follow through all of them, and this is, I just started here, and my concern was the keyboard to be pushed in, but as you can see, it's not pushed in, it's properly pushed out, that you can feel it. That's how it's supposed to be. So I found a solution. I never seen anyone had that kind of. This is like a $35 on the Amazon. This is I don't know what do you here. What's the name? I don't even know what's the name. Oh, here. That's the manufacturer. They have a different manufacturers and stuff, and this one had the highest rating. Even so, had the highest rating. This one was not fitting properly. I had to use the screwdriver, just push it out. This one has a gear kind thing which pushes this one through, and I was not able to push it in because it was kind of stuck there. So I widened the hole there, and then it starts feeding by itself. So that's like a motorized feeding. So it is getting hot. It's not that hot that you cannot touch, but just be careful if you have a soft skin on your fingers. So, but anyway, this is the best solution. Now I can replace the keyboards without hesitation. Instead of, this one was around $100, this one was $20. I don't know, it was a long time ago I bought it, and now I'm gonna go through all the way and mount it up, the seal it, or I don't know, whatever you want to call, and it's gonna look like the original.